I don't feel pretty. Hey guys. Welcome to this year's Get Ready With Me homecoming edition. I seriously can't believe it's my last homecoming. That is crazy. I feel like I was just a freshman. Homecoming week at my school is a huge deal, as you guys probably saw by my last video, but this week has just been insane and I'm just so exhausted. But I'm also very excited for tomorrow. I'm going to the nail salon in 9 hours and I've never gotten acrylic before, but I'm hoping to get them tomorrow. Even though I maxed out my credit card yet again for the second time this month, I've hit 0. Don't know why that keeps happening. I'm not sure why. So anyways, I'm starting this video at night because I'm gonna do a few things to prepare for tomorrow. But yeah, let's do some stuff. I think I'm just gonna wash my face, do a face mask, and then tan my body. This is the face mask I'm using. It's from like CVS. All right, now this is the self tanner I'm using. It's just Jergens Instant Glow, Instant Sun, whatever. I can take off my face mask now. I feel like there's a few things that I should do before I go to bed, but I'm really tired and I don't want to do any of those things. I'm just gonna watch some Sabrina the Teenage Witch and then go to bed and wake up in the morning. Good morning, guys. So right now I am currently heading to my nail appointment. This is what my nails look like before. All right, I'm back and I got my nails done. I'm so happy. I don't know why I've never gone acrylics. I mean, my mom always just said, oh, they're too expensive, whatever. But if I'm paying for my own money, I don't really care. They're so cute. This lighting's like, they're like this metallic color and I just love them. I feel like a very feminine girl right now and I'm just so happy. Now I'm gonna get addicted to doing this. But like, I'm so happy right now. They look so good. I thought they'd be like really uncomfortable to like do things, but like, I mean, I just got them done like 5 minutes ago. However, I can like touch everything. Like it's not like that big of a deal. Also, look at this. It matches. That is so freaking cute. This is gonna go on Pinterest. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Just like doing this is so fun. Like, hey, hey, hey. Oh, I think someone's waiting for my spot. That's awkward. It's working. That's awesome. I got $2 worth of gas. I had $2 on my debit card. So right now I'm currently just straightening my hair. It's almost 1 o'clock and we have a football game. The varsity football game is like at 4 because Powder Puff was last night. I don't know why the football schedule got all mixed up. Like football games should not be on a Saturday. Also from Powder Puff, I had like these like red like lines on my face and it stained my face. So that's fun. Also I ran out of foundation, so I need to text my mom. Don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I'm straightening right now, obviously, but I'm not sure if I should curl it or keep it straight. I feel like straight's so boring, but also like curling it is kind of a risk. Like, do I get ready for the dance before the football game? Or do I not go to the football game and have more time to get ready for the dance? Because I don't want to have like my makeup and stuff and like my eyelashes, like all that at the game. Also my hair, that doesn't look that much different straightened, but it just like feels better. Even though I'm totally frying my hair. Okay, I finished straightening my hair and I could keep it straight for the dance, but I might curl it. Still haven't really decided. I feel like I want to curl it, but also it just feels so soft right now. I feel like I have so much time right now and I don't know what to do with it. Also my hands, whenever I do self tanner, they just get orange and I don't know how to fix that. I kind of want to try on my dress right now just for the fun of it and see if it fits me. Because if it doesn't, we have to go shopping right now. Okay, my dress fits. It's not like perfect, but it's whatever. But I realized that I should have gotten a pedicure today. I really forgot that I'm gonna be wearing heels and that my toes are gonna be showing. So I'm gonna paint my toenails right now. And yeah, that's such a gross word, like toenails, like ew. Sorry if this video seems kind of jump cutty. I've been, you know, just all over the place today. Right now I'm just waiting for my mom. We're gonna go to Sephora because I need new foundation and then maybe to the Nike store if I can convince her. And I also want to get food because it's, oh my God, it says in my eye. It's 1 o'clock and I need food. It's actually 1:30. Mom, what? I need food. Okay, we're getting some food. Getting some makeup. What shade am I? Oh yeah. Here, this is for you. Okay, so we just did a little shopping at the William B store and now we're going home. And I think I'm just gonna do my makeup and hair like before the game, or should I not do my makeup before the game?
No, I think you should do everything and then just retouch it up.
Okay, okay. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, you guys, it's time to get ready. I'm so excited. But I'm ready to do my makeup for my last homecoming dance. I can't believe it's the last one. Like, what? I mean, I've only been to 3, but yeah, let's try to make myself look less ugly. I'm gonna do a pore strip as I'm doing my eyes just to save time. I look so bad right now. I don't even want to post this. That would have been a cool transition, but I forgot to finish it. I forgot to put on concealer. How does one do that? Okay, I skipped a little bit ahead just because I feel like I do this makeup look often and I didn't want to film the whole thing. My eyeliner is so bad, I can't even right now, but I'm gonna try to apply fake eyelashes. The dance isn't for literally 6 hours, but I have to get ready now. But I just hope that I'll magically look good. Hey guys, Sierra and I are going to the homecoming football game, even though we have the dance literally in a few hours. Yeah, it's the weirdest schedule ever. I hate it. Hey guys, so this lighting sucks and I'm in such a bad mood after that freaking game. It was such a waste of time and I just feel really sad. I don't know why, but this whole week I keep on like having these waves of like feeling like unwanted and like, I don't know what's happening. I don't know, like I just keep on, okay, I can't talk like this when I look like disgusting. Ugh, I'm literally so annoyed right now. These eyelashes are bugging me. I don't feel pretty. Actually, I feel pretty, I just don't feel like confident, and I feel like there's like a big difference. I feel like why am I going to this dance? Like I literally nothing makes that lighting better, but okay, I need to get this bra off too because it's annoying me. I guess I'm just really annoyed because, hang on, I'm gonna curl my hair and talk to you guys. Also, my hair looks fine straight. Should I even curl? Yeah. Curl it. Okay. Dances just annoy me. I don't know the plans after the dance, and a lot of people aren't even going to the dance, they're just going to the party, which doesn't make sense. But I'm just like, this whole week has just been like the most lonely week ever. I don't know what to do about it because you literally can't like cure loneliness. Like if you're lonely, you can't be like, oh, but I'm gonna like hang out with you. Like you're lonely because no one wants to hang out with you, you know? Like it's not in your control is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Like I like being in control. I don't know what I'm saying actually. I'm just stressed. Also, I feel like they should not have had the football game today. Like, I don't know why they did that. That was the dumbest idea ever. I'm glad I don't play football because like, how do they get ready? I mean, I guess they don't need to wear makeup and stuff, but like, I just like, you know when you just feel like you hate your life, even though there's no reason you should hate your life? Like that's just how I feel right now. Like I'm just not happy. I feel like this week I've just been not happy. Which is interesting because as you guys are probably seeing the homecoming week like vlog, you're probably like, oh my god, I look so fun and happy, but no. Most of the time, like last night I literally cried because I was like, wow, like I'm not friends with anybody. Like, but then I go through phases. Like, so for example, last night there's a powder puff game, and before the powder puff game I was literally so sad because I was like, wow, I have no friends, like blah blah blah, all this stuff. But then after the powder puff game I went to In-N-Out and I felt like so much better after that because I was like, oh, I do have friends. Like I go through waves of thinking I have friends and thinking I don't have friends. I feel like whenever someone's friends with me, they're not gonna like stay friends with me, or like that they don't really like me, or like that they're using me, just not because of like people I'm friends with now. Like I love my friends now. My hair looks so ugly. Ugh, I don't know what to do. I literally want to cry. I knew my hair wouldn't look good curled. I don't know why I curled it. Whatever, and I have to curl the rest of my hair, which is like gonna take so long. I don't want to do this. I'm literally gonna have a mental breakdown right now. Okay, I'm gonna listen to music and try to curl my hair and just like not cry, even though I'm definitely gonna cry. Hey guys, so we're ready. This is the Gia. You guys know what
Hi.
Whoa. Yeah, we're like ready for the dance.
We are.
Kind of hate what I'm wearing, but it's fine.
It's fine.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.